Hello guys, welcome back to my channel TR to PR updates. In this video, I will share timelines related to TR to PR pathway. Before sharing timelines, I request you please subscribe my channel and press on notification bell for future updates. So let's start with today's timelines. First of all, I wish congratulations to my friend Raman Gill and his wife Simranjeet Kaur for receiving ECU PR. Their hometown is district Moga in Punjab, India. The timeline is they applied on 6:55 p.m. EST on May 6, linked their application on December 14, PCC was requested, medical was passed on December 2, on 31st December received documents, finally January 20 got PR approval, PR portal on same day, pics uploaded same day, got ECO PR on January 24. Next timeline, application submitted on 18 September in IG French, submitted everything upfront. BIL request received on 22 January, medical exam approved on 22 January, AOR received on 24 January 2022. Next timeline, applied on May 6 at 6:48 p.m. EST in IG stream, had wrong date of birth on IM 0008, received biometric instruction letter on 14 December with the wrong date of birth on letter, raised web form and went for biometric, and the lady who took his biometric did not even look at his date of birth and entered correct one in the system. Received AOR on 17 December, additional document request for PCC on 21st December, additional document review started on 22 December, PR confirmation on 18 January, PR portal credentials on 19 January and received ECO PR on 25 January 2022. Next timeline, applied on 6:55 p.m. of 6 May, AOR received on 15 December, medical passed on 22 December, additional document request on 27 December, submitted same day, document received on 29 December, portal on 18 January, ECO PR on 25 January 2022. Next timeline, AOR received for Stream B, Essential Non-Healthcare, submitted on May 24, application linked through JSK on January 21, medical passed on January 20, AOR received on January 24. Next timeline for Essential Non-Healthcare, worked at Associate at Real Canadian Superstore, worked hour 1560, applied on 12th of May, uploaded all documents upfront, AOR received on 8 December from Sydney office, medical approved on 17 December, used old one from his student visa application, ghost updated on 24 December, called IRCC to get answer for 24 December's ghost update. They said file in progress at White House office and they don't need any additional documents from him. No PCC as he was 17 when he arrived in Canada. Ghost update 2 on 19 January, portal request on 19 January, Calgary office, credentials on 20 January and ECO PR on 24 January 2022. Next one is also for Essential Non-Healthcare Stream B, applied on May 8 around 7 am, November 28 linked without AOR, November 20 medical passed, December 7 biometric refund, on December 8 received AOR, 2 ghost updates, middle of December, on January 13 portal request, replied, credentials submitted, January 21 sent follow-up mails and received ECO PR on 24 January 2022. Next timeline of IG stream, applied on 7:15 p.m, AOR received on 21 December, linked application on 22 December, additional document request on 17 January for Schedule A, 6 months was missing, ADR submission on 18 January, submission acknowledgement on 19 January, PR approval mail on 24 January 2022 from Calgary. Next timeline, applied on 9:47 p.m. ADT time on May 6 for Stream B, NOC code 6552 with dependent child and wife. AOR received on December 20 from CPC Sydney, linked to GCK, biometric for wife on 17 December, biometric updated on 20 December, medical passed on 31st December, PR application approved on 24 January from Calgary. All documents was upfront except RPRF. He did not pay RPRF on May 6, paid in December after receiving the AOR and sent received via web form with the application number before requesting for any. His 5669 was incomplete, sent via web form after AOR and never tried to call IRCC to confirm anything. got generic auto reply for all web forms, confirming that they will add to our application if there are any documents attached. Next timeline applied on May 6 at 5 pm, received biometric instruction letter on December 9, EOR received on December 10, biometric done on December 13, account linked on December 17. Additional document request for PCC on December 6, only saw it after linking account on December 17. PCC submitted on December 17. PCC reviewed by IRC on December 17. On January 24, got the email saying his application is approved. Next timeline of Stream A Healthcare NOC code 3414 applied on July 22 with Inland Dependent, linked application with UCI and last name on November 29, PCC requested on November 25, could not access his GCK account, so send via web form, biometric refund on 13 December, EOR received on December 14, email from IRCC received additional document request PCC on December 30, received biometric refund on 31 December 2021. Second additional document request of IMM 5669 request for both of us on January 5. He uploaded the ADR on January 6, then waiting for their response, but after the deadline of document submission, he realized he did not hit the submit button and submitted it on January 12 on the next day of deadline. ADR received and medical passed on January 13, PR portal request on January 14, replied same day but did not receive any response till January 19, then replied again the same info and got PR credentials on January 20 and finally got ECO PR on January 24, 2022. Next timeline of Stream B, Essential Non-Healthcare, applied on July 12 with Inland Dependent, BIL on November 19, medical result passed on November 19, EOR received on November 22, additional document request on December 2 for PCC, additional document request submitted on December 23, PR portal on January 17 and received ECO PR on January 24. Next one is AOR timeline, applied on July 13 for Essential Non-Healthcare and received AOR on 24 January 2022. Next timeline of IG Stream, applied on May 6, 7:12 pm, BIR request on 20 December, linked application same day, PCC requested on 20 December, updated same day, EOR received on 21 December, additional document request for IMM 5669 form on 12 January, uploaded same day, portal request on 18 January from Calgary, portal credential same day after 1 hour, uploaded photo same day and received ECO PR on 24 January 2022. Next one is biometric instruction letter received for IG French, applied on October 8 at 3:45 pm and received BIL on 24 January 2022. Next timeline, applied on 18 May for non-essential English, application linked on 24 December, additional document request on 24 December, EOR received on 28 December, document received on 31st December, ghost update, medical passed and background check started on 7 January 2022, ghost update background check back to normal on 14 January and confirmation from Calgary 24 January 2022. Next timeline, applied on 7:02 pm EST, EOR received on December 22, additional document request on 16 December, biometric instruction letter on January 7, PCC received by IRCC on January 14 and one ghost updated on 23 January and portal on 24 January 2022. Next timeline for Stream B, applied on May 14, received BIL on 10 December, EOR received on 13 December, portal on 21st and ECO PR on 24 January 2022. Next timeline, applied on May 6 at 7:55 EST in iStream from Edmonton, got AOR and PCC request and biometric request on December 20, biometric done on 23 December, PCC and RCMP submitted in December last week, got email on 4 January, they are viewing, submitted all forms after AOR, with correction via portal and web form. Got portal on 24 January 2022. Next one is PR card timeline. Applied on May 6, 4:51 p.m. English IGST. On December 2 received BIL, file linked and medical passed. On December 3 BIL submitted. December 3 received AOR. On December 11 ghost update. December 13 approval email from Calgary, and December 14 portal submitted same day. On January 5 ECU PR card linked. On January 18 PR card ghost update. On January 19 status change and PR card mailed, and PR card received on 24 January 2022. Next timeline applied on May 6 at 7:56 p.m. EST time. Got biometric instruction letter on December 13. On December 14 got AOR. On December 23 got additional document request of IMM 5.69 submitted same day. On December 30 started reviewing additional documents. On January 20 got portal and credentials submitted same day. On January 25 got ECU PR. So congratulations to all. If you think video is informative, then like it and subscribe the channel for daily updates. Thanks for watching.